Okay, so now we're going to go over how to use a type, okay, and how to make a type box. Now, when I have a new slide, these are, and I open up to that slide, these are my text boxes. And you'll notice when I click on them, they become highlighted with a nice blue outline. And I can add a title, Title, okay, whatever I want. And then I can add my copy. And my copy could be my students are awesome. Okay, so that's how you can use those that are come up automatically. Now, you don't always want to use this size and you don't always want to use this type size. So sometimes I use the title, sometimes I don't. Now, if I want to make my type box smaller, I simply pull in and it becomes smaller. If I want to make this one smaller, same thing. I can just pull in. If I want an entirely new type box, I can add here a new type box. And it will generally always come up as a font size of 14 and in Arial. So if I want to change my font and have something different, I can change, I like comic, so I'm going to go with comic. I can also change like the weight, okay, whether it's italic, underline, and I can change the color. So I'm going to do blue. Now I'm going to go up just a little bit. You can click here and it'll go up one, okay, point at a time, or you can click here if you know the size you want. Now I'm going to unclick some of these because I don't think I need all of them. And I'm going to just type in art is smart. And there we go. And you can see that's how we use the type tool. Now the type tool can also be kind of fun. I'm going to reduce my font size here to make different patterns and some shapes. Now, if I want, I can make a line just by holding down the line key on the keyboard. I can also make a dashed line. I can make a bunch of little arrows using holding down the shift key. You're going to want to hold down the shift key to get the top parts of that key. Now, if you don't hold the shift key, then you would get, a bunch of dots. Okay, so that's how I can make some patterns, and you can experiment with that as time goes on. Sometimes I can just, make grammar things, use some of the grammar tools just to make my patterns. Okay, so there's a whole series of lines that I can use in my type tool. Okay, so the next step will be something kind of fun. These are the two main tools that you're going to be using though. So we'll talk to you later.